Most of us have heard that cancer is a deadly disease that affects every living being in many ways, but large animals seem to be resilient to cancer. How could this be possible? Well, this can be explained by fetus paradox. But first, we have to know the basis of cancer. As humans, we have 724 trillion cells. Each cell develops an important process to sustain life. They can build up tissue, organs, and defend us from viral and bacterial infections. Sometimes this process can have errors. Some of them are genetic and epigenetic mutations, and they can affect the proto-oncogenes and the tumor suppressor genes. These mutations take place in our DNA, which is like a big book with all our information. They can dictate if we have black hair, blue eyes, or if we are short or tall. If the DNA has many harmful mutations while they are synthesizing new proteins, the cell will be filled up with unuseful ones and also will have abnormal features. Sometimes the cell has a plan B, that is called apoptosis, or self-destruction. This is not how the cells undergo in your body. Apoptosis happens when a gene called P57 is transported into the ribosome. This gene tells the cell that it needs to die in order for the body to survive. So the cell starts deconstructing itself into little bubbles. These bubbles contain the cell's organelles and DNA. Then these little sacs send some chemical signals that attract immunitary cells that will eat them. And now the body is free from cancer. However, this plan can fail because the gene P57 can be badly coded, making apoptosis unuseful. And this is where Peter's paradox takes place. Scientists thought that animals with great amount of mass are going to have more tumors in their bodies. And that's true, but they are not affected by tumors, by two main hypotheses: evolution and hypertumors. Hypertumors are tumors of tumors. It's kind of difficult to imagine, but it is possible. As cancers continue mutating and getting more nutrients by forming new blood vessels, or as we call it, angiogenesis, most likely a tumor mutation can start another tumor to fight over the nutrients. It's a one versus one. A tumor is fighting another tumor until one of them is killed, and this process can repeat over and over again. Then we have evolution. As animals are evolving over time, they are becoming much bigger than before. As they are growing, more chances of having mutation during cell division will occur. So, by natural selection, the more capable organism to neutralize cancer will survive. And this is how cancer can be ruled by fetus paradox.